Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA TS3150 or 3100 series. I want to show you how to connect this printer to your computer with a USB cable. This printer is currently connected to Wi-Fi direct with mobile phone. If you look on the printer, it will show you direct. It's showing us online. We're going to reset this printer, and once the printer is reset, you will see only 0 and A4 on the screen. So to reset the printer, you need to press setup menu button to number 11 to factory default setting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It will show you 11. Then select copy once or copy color once. Direct is off and showing us 0 and A4. And if you look on the mobile phone, it's showing us offline. So now to connect the printer and PC via USB, take this part of the cable, go to the back of the printer, connect it to this port, USB port. Take this part of the cable, connect it to the laptop. And you will hear a tune. The next thing to do is you need to go to laptop start, then go to the settings, select printers and scanners, and look for the printer. This printer is Canon TS3150 or 3100 series. If it's not available, you need to add a device. This is the printer, Canon TS3100 series. So you need to give it some time and the printer will appear. So select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. Canon TS3100 series. Print test page. Printer status. One document is printing. So it's printing a test page to confirm. Windows printer test page. You have correctly installed your Microsoft IPP class driver on laptop. It will show you the date and time submitted. And also port name USB 024. Data format RAW. Windows x64. So this is how to connect the printer to laptop via a USB cable. Print out the test page. If you want to scan document to confirm that the scanner is working, select scanner settings, then open scanner. Then put the document you want to scan on the glass scanner, face down. This is the document want us to scan. So we're going to scan using Windows Scanner. Close the cover. Then select file type. Printer is found. Select file type, PDF. Show more. Select the color. We want to scan in color. You can scan grayscale or black and white. So color is selected. Resolution, the maximum is 600. So 300 dpi selected. We want to save the file in document folder. Select folder, then select scan. Once the document is scanned, then select view to view the file. This is the document we scanned. To print it out, select Ctrl P, or you select print icon on top. So select Ctrl P. Then select destination, show more. Then you select the printer from the list. Canon TS3100 series. Page is one page. We want to print it in color. More settings. Select the paper as A4, default or scale, fit to printable area. Then you select print. This is the document we scanned, saved it to computer, and also printed it out